see a thick chunk. Dude, what are we doing to this thing?
I don't know, I ate too much pizza.
We've removed the entire front. Did we blow it up?
Maybe soon. We didn't blow it up.
Are we gonna blow it up with a roundhouse kick to the face? Because we got a Truck Norris cam for this old guy. Yeah! I'm so excited!
Where's it at?
Scott, where's your Chuck Norris joke?
Which one?
I don't know.
You mean the one about Chuck Norris doesn't make very good toilet paper because it won't take shit off anybody?
Oh shit! On the spot. Yeah, so
this truck won't take shit off of nobody?
I guess not.
Oh yeah, Truck Norris!
With its little bitty cam. So we are disassembling this so we can put the BTR Truck Norris cam in it.
I want the damn Mr. T cam.
You heard it, BTR.
Yeah, we're not old enough for that.
We're not old enough for that.
Actually, better than that would be the Murdoch cam or the A-Team cam.
The A-Team?
Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, that's enough of that for now. What did you just say?
Chuck Norris just ejaculated inside of your engine, and when
He hasn't even came in it yet.
when Chuck Norris ejaculates, the magnetic poles flip momentarily.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Seems legit.
It's an Australian motor.
Jeez. Okay, so what do we got going on here? We don't generally drive this around a ton, and we keep using it to move stuff between our buildings. So there's not been any interesting stuff going on with it, so there's no real reason it should have milkshaked itself.
Yeah, we check it after, you know, making test pulls and stuff, and it's never had anything weird looking, but we toot it around the shop 24 times, and maybe?
It seems that we have a ton of condensate in the oil. At least we're hoping. The cap has got literal water on the underside of it. So we're gonna operate under the assumption that it doesn't have a bad head gasket or something cracked, but
Yeah, why don't you pull the valve cover and see if the entire thing ain't sludge, and the rocker arms have just made a little channel in the sludge.
yeah,
No, it's
we
not
haven't
that
been
bad.
into it.
I don't know, man. There's still remnants of old sludge in here
Gunk,
too.
yeah, from a lack of oil changes.
We used to do the Pennzoil thing at the place I work. Fucking motors would be solid sludge.
Pure wax, pure paraffin.
And these are people that actually change your oil regularly.
Yeah,
And it's still a mess.
It's still solid sludge. Yeah, when you pull an oil pan, when you pull a drain plug out of an oil pan and nothing comes out, and then you stick a screwdriver in there,
we did
and
that.
it sort of goes.
keep doing that motion. Yeah, so we've got what looks like a jar of mayonnaise squirted in this, which is super cool. But I guess we're going to
Send it!
we're gonna send it because Truck Norris would approve.
Truck Norris came, Truck
Yep.
Norris went.
Yep. So yeah, that's definitely what we expected to see in there. We've made a bunch of pulls with this thing, and every time we come back, the oil looks perfect, and we haven't had anything, not a lick of anything odd in it. And then a few starts and a bunch of cold weather later, apparently we have a good bit of condensate in there. So we're gonna do some mild cleaning and swap this cam out. Ooh, he wrangling.
Booty shot.
What are you doing, boy?
Ugga Duggas.
The ultimate Ugga Dugga.
Nah.
Precision Ugga Duggas.
I think it's like 37 foot-pounds.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Plus or minus, 15. Mostly minus.
Plus or minus 6 inches.
Oh yeah. Cool, so yeah, we've got our
Truck Norris is inserted.
Truck Norris has inserted fully, and then got bolted down in place. So we're now torquing things that matter-ish.
Clang.
And hopefully this is a start on Monday job, I guess.
Okay.
We gotta time it, put the whole front cover on, get all the other junk clean, put back together, and then hopefully my exhaust gasket shows up too, so we can swap that out. And
We have exhaust gasket.
oh yeah, that's true. We've got a big tube of
Copper.
copper RTD. So
Send it.
probably perfectly usable.
Oh, sorry, firewall. Oh,
Oh
no. No. Let's pinch it.
Yeah. We're
Oh,
not carrying
that
very
it?
much here.
yeah, that was it.
That's it. That's this whole bank?
That's the whole. I don't know, maybe.
Cool. Good
Unless I
enough?
missed one.
If you did, we'll hear it.
I'm gonna roll it over and double check them.
Okay.
Maybe.
So yeah. So we pushed the one lap off over here so it can get out of the way. We put this on. Hopefully you have this done in 2 days of partial amounts of time. Thanks for the cam, Sam DiMartino, Force Induction Pros. Sold me that. Very excited. I'm excited to make some freaking noise. BTR Truck Norris, if you couldn't already tell from the endless amounts of Truck Norris stock. There's the specs. Nice, well-known cam. Seems to work pretty good. And then we got all BTR gaskets and basic stuff. So we will finish this up on Monday or so.
Right before Thanksgiving.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
totally, right before Thanksgiving. We totally haven't not worked on this in what, like, how many weeks?
It's been a hot minute.
It's been a hot minute. So yeah, we're getting back to it. We're gonna do this and hopefully do flex in it, and then see if we can blow up this sad little LR4.
Don't blow up anything besides tires.
The king of, oh yeah, we gotta weld the diff too, so we can do something other than one tire fire, which should be even more fun. Yep. We
have to show the evidence.
we making a mess in here.
Show it.
Oh god, I got a chunk on my ring gear.
It'll pop off.
It will. I'm not worried. Alright, we are officially welded, and now they both go the same direction. So we got that migged up, and we're working on the exhaust up here in hopes of filing this little ledge off so we can hopefully get this guy to sit flat, and then we can have no more exhaust leak and even more boost. So alright, so we've been blowing out driver's side exhaust gaskets left and right.
Gaskets,
Just stop it. So we immediately thought, hey, this Chinese crossover pipe was going to be our problem.
Yeah, because there's nothing wrong with America over here.
Yeah, of course not. So we pulled it off, checked it for flatness, and then just gave
Actually,
it.
really nice.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
We just took the sheen off of it with the belt sander for the sake of posterity, and then went over here to look at our driver's side manifold, because of course we couldn't be bothered to look at that right off the bat.
Well, yeah, we stuck
We stuck the
thickness
world's
over here.
thickest Remflex gasket in there. Don't bend.
It's fine.
And this still puked right in the exact same area.
Yeah, you can like see our contact.
Nothing. Yeah. So, yeah, let's look at our manifold. See if this is going to be terrible or not. No, it's not too bad.
So it's gonna, I don't know if you can see the depth, but here's leftover rust slash factory gasket slash whatever. That just kind of, some of it we've already broke off, not thinking about it, but you can see there's just a huge chunk here. It went all the way around. There's still a chunk left here, but the section that was missing is a section that obviously leaked.
Yeah.
So you have I mean, it's huge. I don't even know how thick that is, but it's pretty
very noticeable.
It's very obvious that, hey man, there's your leak.
Yeah.
So we're gonna chip all that off, grind it down a little bit, I guess, somehow, and then squish it back together.
Yep. And hope that it seals this time.
No leaky, yeah.
Yeah,
And
we'll
we don't have
see.
to use copper gasket.
Yeah. I mean, if we do, we do. But the flanges have still got to be parallel and flat and whatnot. Otherwise, the copper's going to blow out too.
Yeah, it was not. We didn't give it a happy surface.
No, not at all.
Absolutely.
Oddly enough, our V-band side is pretty much mint. Despite a little bit of overlap, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, but I don't see any.
No, there's no signs of
no
leakage.
leak. Yeah, that's
There's no carbon or normally you'd see some traces there.
Yeah.
But
So, crossover pipe, not the problem.
not the problem.